The 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, trip computer, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.